Hey Besh! Ito na naman ang easy recipe na pwede niyong gawin this coming holiday season. 4 ingredients cake dessert you can make for 10 minutes. No bake, no steam, no flour, and no eggs. At kung bago ka pala sa channel ko, hello there! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell at pakiclick na din ang all. Welcome to I's No Bake Recipe. So here, simple lang ating recipe for today. All we need is this lemon square cheese cupcake. And of course, any brand will do kung anong available sa inyo. And here, we have 10 pieces of cupcake. Yung kalahati, slice lang natin para mag-fit mamaya sa cup na ating gagamitin. And I'll be using this transparent oval lid container na nabili ko sa Shopee. At ilalagay ko ang link ng store na nabilhan ko nito sa ating description box below. At yan, i-fit lang natin itong mga slices sa mga pagitan nito until ma-fill in mo yung base ng ating cup. Then, flatten lang natin ito at sa ating 1 pack, we made about 3 cups. Set aside muna natin ito while we proceed to our cream mixture. And here, mix lang natin ang 1 pack of 250 ml all-purpose cream. Make sure na naka-chilled ito para hindi runny. Then, haluan lang natin ng 1 cup of condensed milk. As easy as 1 to 3, we're all set at ayan na! Ilalagay na natin ito sa ating cup. Yan guys! Just be generous lang in putting our toppings. And in this recipe, kahit wala kang experience sa baking, ay yakang-yaka mo ito. At ang dali, diba? And if you're still watching, for sure trip mo ang ganitong mga recipe. Please comment down below, I love fruitcake. And let me know where you're watching from. And here, pag medyo runny na yung cream, it's best to refrigerate mo muna for a couple of hours. And here, prepare lang natin ang ating fruit cocktail toppings. Drain lang natin ito and ready to set. Ilagay lang natin ito as toppings. At yan mga besh, sobrang dali, diba? You can also top it with grated cheese. And here, it's now ready to serve. And this video is not sponsored, guys. How I wish it was. Yan. But anyway, refrigerate muna natin ito bago i-serve. Make your holiday dessert fruity and simple with this lemon square cheese cupcake. And now, let's have our taste test. Wow! Bet ko yung fruity taste nito really worth trying mga besh. At ito, best itong pang-gift at pang-negosyo idea sa murang halaga. At effortless ka pa. No baking, no steam, no flour, no eggs, and just 4 ingredients. Perfect treat talaga for this holiday. So sa ating mga momshies and sisterette, try nyo na itong ating fruitcake. Again, my name is Ice. Thank you so much and enjoy cooking!